Hello, welcome to Math Focus, and in this class we want to find the value of s from this given nice equation. 9 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power s is equal to 24. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Then we have the given equation. 9 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power x is equal to 24. Take note of this, that 9 can be written as 3 square. Then this is 3 square to the power of x multiplied by 3 raised to power s is equal to 24. Now take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power mn. Then this can be written as 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by x, 2x multiplied by 3 raised to power s is equal to 24. Now take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Now this can be written as 3 raised to power 2x plus s is equal to 24. Now this is 3 raised to power 2x plus x, that is 3x is equal to 24. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 3 raised to power 3x is equal to log 24. Then take note of this, that if you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b log a. Then this can be written as 3x log 3 is equal to log 24. Let's divide both sides of this equation by log 3. Then this is divided by log 3, and this is divided by log 3. Then this log 3 cancel this log 3. 3s is equal to log 24 over log 3. Then both 24 is equal to 8 multiplied by 3. 3x is equal to log 8 multiplied by 3 over log 3. If you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then 3x is equal to log 8 plus log 3. Then this divided by log 3, and this divided by log 3. This log 3 cancel this log 3. 3x is equal to log 8 over log 3 plus 1. Now, but 8 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2. Then 3s is equal to, this is log 4 multiplied by 2 over log 3 plus 1, and 3x is equal to 1 plus log 2 plus log 4, then this over log 3 and over log 3. Now 3s is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 4 base 3. But we are looking for the value of s. Let us divide both sides by 3. This divided by 3 and this divided by 3. This 3 cancel this 3. S is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 4 base 3 then over 3. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 9 raised to power s multiplied by 3 raised to power x is equal to 24, and this is same thing as 3 raised to power 3x is equal to 24. Now, if x is 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 4 base 3 over 3, this is same thing as we have 3 raised to power 3 bracket 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 4 base 3 must be equal to 24, then over 3 here. So this 3 cancel this 3, then this is 3 raised to power 1 plus log 2 base 3 plus log 4 base 3 must be equal to 24. Then this is same thing as 3 raised to power 1 is 3. Then multiply by 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 4 base 3 must be equal to 24. If you have m raised to power log n base, this is equal to n. This is 3 multiplied by the whole of this is 2 multiplied by the whole of this is 4 must be equal to 24. Then we have 3 times 2, 6. 6 multiplied by 4 must be equal to 24. And 6 multiplied by 4, this is 24, is equal to 24, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.